Earth is speaking to us through burning forests, through rising oceans, through deadly heat waves and devastating floods. The question is, are we listening? According to the latest IPCC assessment reports and United Nations climate science, the world has entered the most dangerous phase of climate change in human history. The global temperature has already risen by 1.2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. Scientists warn that crossing 1.5 degrees Celsius will trigger irreversible damage, melting ice sheets, massive sea level rise, deadly heat extremes, and collapse of ecosystems. The IPCC Sixth Assessment Report clearly states human activity is unequivocally responsible for climate change. Every year, over 7 million people die from air pollution. Millions lose homes due to floods and storms. Crops fail due to drought and heat stress. Freshwater scarcity increases. Climate change is no longer a future threat. It is our present reality. In 2024 alone, climate disasters caused hundreds of billions of dollars in damage worldwide. Developing nations are suffering the most, despite contributing the least to global emissions. Coastal cities face submergence. Farmers face crop failure. Children face malnutrition. Climate change is increasing poverty, hunger, conflict, and forced migration. If emissions continue at current levels, more than 3 billion people could live in extremely high climate risk zones by 2050. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and IPCC are clear. To survive, global emissions must be reduced by 43% by 2030 and reach net zero by 2050. This requires rapid transition to renewable energy, ending dependence on coal, oil, and gas, massive energy efficiency improvements, large-scale reforestation, sustainable agriculture, climate-resilient infrastructure. Every delay increases suffering. Every year of inaction steals from our future. Governments must act boldly, not slowly. Strong climate laws, green investment, and clean energy expansion are no longer optional. Industries must shift toward low-carbon technologies, circular economy, and sustainable production. And we as individuals must take responsibility, save electricity, reduce waste, use public transport, eat sustainably, plant trees, support climate-friendly policies. Small actions, when multiplied by billions, can reshape the world. The future is still in our hands, but the window is closing, fast. This is not about saving the planet. The planet will survive. It is about saving humanity. The choices we make today will decide the world our children inherit tomorrow. Act now, because there is no planet B.